Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can create customers from Google Form responses in EasyVid automatically. Now Google Forms is an online form building application and EasyVid is a platform where people are using it to build several e-commerce store. Now what is happening? Whenever we are having a form submission in Google Forms, the details of the customer will automatically be sent to EasyVid, and there an automatic customer, or I should say a new customer, will be created automatically. Now why would you need this automation? Suppose you are having a product on EasyVid and you are running a form all over the websites through Google Forms about that product reviews. Now what is happening? Whenever people are filling out the reviews of a particular product through Google Forms, the details will automatically get added into the EasyVid account, and from there you can use those leads for selling your product or for promoting your product. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Google Forms and EasyVid together. Now if you want to learn how to do this, you have to come with me to the screen. So we are back to our screen. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect and press enter. When you will do that, you will be redirected to this page here, and here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. If you already have an account, you can go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So I already have an account here, so I'll just go for sign in. And here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see, as soon as the window will open, I have all these automations here which I have made here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go on create workflow and give my workflow a name. So now we are going to give it the name, and we will name it Google Forms to EasyVid. Okay. Now I'm connecting these two applications and I am giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. Let's just click on create. And now what we are going to do here, you can see we have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process, or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So what we are doing here, we are doing a form submission in our Google Forms. So we will go here and we will click on new response received. Now you will get webhook URL. What is this webhook URL? Webhook URL will help you connect your Google Forms to your Pabbly Connect account. Now you can see this is our Google form, and here you can see the name of the form is customer form, and here in questions, responses and settings, we cannot see anywhere any type of field where we can use the webhook URL. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a form submission, and then it will automatically create a Google Sheet related to this form, and then we are going to use that webhook URL through that Google Sheet. So let's just make a form submission. Arpit Sharma, which is my full name. Arpit Sharma 987 @gmail.com. Number is again a dummy number here. Street address is E56, city Bhopal, postal code is 462023, country is India. Okay. Now I'm just going to click on submit, and as soon as I will do that, and I will see the response section by going to this icon here, I will go to the spreadsheet, and here I am going to name the spreadsheet EasyVid form. Okay. Click on create. And as soon as you will click on create, you will see that a new sheet will come here, and this is your entry, Arpit Sharma 987 @gmail.com. This is the number, street address, Bhopal, postal code and country. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go here into extensions, and then we are going to use this Pabbly Connect webhooks option. If you do not have this Pabbly Connect webhooks, you will go to add-ons, click on get add-ons. And then what you are going to do, you are going to search here Pabbly Connect webhooks. So you will click on Pabbly Connect webhooks, and this will come. You will have to install it in your system. I already have it, so I'm not going to do that again. I'll just go to extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and initial setup. Now here in webhook URL, what we are going to do, we are going to copy this webhook URL from the Pabbly Connect account. We will go back here and paste this webhook URL and trigger column. So what is the trigger column? Trigger column is the column which is responsible for sending data from Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect account, which would be the last data column in your sheet. So the last data column in my sheet is H. So I'm just going to click here and put H here. Then I will click on submit. And then I will just wait, and then I will go back to extensions. Then I will go back to initial setup, and then I will click on send test. And as soon as I will click on send test, you will see the data will be sent here in our Pabbly Connect account. And here I'm just going to wait for the data. The data will come here in within seconds, and here you can see here is the data. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go back here and we are going to use another feature, which is currency. And why we are using it, I will just tell you within seconds. So here we are going to go for get country details by country name, and then we will click on connect. Now here we are going to open this, not open this, we are going to toggle on this mapping button, and we are going to use a technique which is called mapping, which will let us take the data from this window, and here we will put that data. So we will go here and we will go for country India, and we will click on save and send test request. And as soon as we will do that, you can see the result name is India, and here the code is IND, and here at last the code is IN. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go for EasyVid in our last and final step. We will click on EasyVid. Action event, what we are doing here, we are creating a customer. So we will click on create customer, then connect. Add new connection, connect with EasyVid. Pabbly Connect will ask you for the authorization here. I have already connected it few times, so it did not ask me. But for you, you have to go and give the authorization to Pabbly Connect, and Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data. Now again, we are going to use the technique mapping, and from here we are going to map in the details. First is the email. Second is the billing name. So the billing name is Arpit Sharma. Third is the billing company. I did not use any company name in my form, so I'm not gonna fill that. Billing street is E56. Billing city is Bhopal. Where is Bhopal? Okay, here is Bhopal. And now here billing country code. So this is the code which will be taken from here, and that is why I have used this currency feature from Pabbly to get this code here, IN. So I am just going to go here, and billing country code is IN. So we will go and map this from our second step, which is this one. Okay. Postal code. We have this postal code. Billing phone number. We have this phone number as well. Now shipping name. I do not want to put all these names here. You can just repeat these fields into your shipping name, shipping company name, shipping street, etc., etc. Now let's just click on save and send test request. And as soon as we will do that, you will see a new ID will be created here. Now let me just go to my EasyVid, and here let me just go to my sales, customers, and here you can see I have two Arpit Sharma, but this one is the latest one, Arpit Sharma 987@gmail.com. Okay. Now let us test this once more with our form. But when you are going to do this, let me just tell you one more thing. Whenever you are going to put information in form, it will go to Google Sheets. But if you want more details to be added in Google Sheets, and then these details will automatically go to Pabbly Connect account, for that you will have to go here, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and you have to switch on this send on event. If you will not switch on this send on event, and if you will not see this right sign, the additional data which will be added to the Google Sheets will not be sent to the Pabbly Connect account. So you have to use that send on event feature. Without that, the automation will not work properly. Okay. So now here we are going to fill one more. Let me just go for David Avasthi. Email is davidavasthi@gmail.com. Number is again a dummy number I am using here. Street address, again I am using the same street address. This time I am going to put E78 at the place of E56. Country is same, India. Now I'll just click on submit, and as soon as I will submit, it will be sent to your Google Sheets first, and then from there it will be sent to EasyVid. So here we are just going to click on refresh, and as soon as we will click on refresh, you will see we have a new customer, David Avasthi @gmail.com. And this is how this automation is going to work, and this is how you can set up your automation between Google Forms and EasyVid whenever you are going to have a new response in your Google Forms. What will happen? The details will be taken by the EasyVid account, and a new customer will automatically be created on the details which will be given to you or which will be given to the Pabbly Connect account through Google Forms. Now, if you want to make this automation, I've already told you how to do this. If you do not want to waste time, you can just go to my description box and clone this automation automatically and directly into your account. And for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait. Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.